Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So it's been really long that I showed a video. So in my last video, the book haul video which you saw is just part 1 of what I have. So today I'm going to be showing you the part 2 of this huge book haul because I have around 44 more books to show you guys. So stay tuned for that, and if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. So July was a very busy month because I went to my in-laws place and we had Alia's first birthday happening. So the June and the July wrap-up will also be coming up soon, and also I have my August TBR video coming up soon, so stay tuned for all that. So without further ado, let's begin. So I got books from second-hand booksellers as usual, and I'm going to be showing you very quickly because I have a whole lot of books to show you. So the very first book which I got from a Mumbai bookseller, which I usually buy, is The Secret Dream of a Shopaholic by Sophie Kinsella. So this is the first of the Shopaholic series, and I really wanted to buy this. So when I saw this book on the sale, and this copy, the seller who sells this always sends us very good copies, original copies, not pirated or first copy. So I always rely on him. So this book is added to my Shopaholic series collection. So I'm very happy that I got this book. The second book by Sophie Kinsella which I picked from his sale is My Not So Perfect Life. So this does not belong to the Shopaholic series, but I have seen so many good reviews about this book. This book talks about a lot about life, relationships, as well as it has that humor content which Sophie Kinsella is a master of. So I'm very looking forward in reading this book. The next book which I picked from him is Left from the Nameless Shop. So I have no idea of most of the books in this book haul. I got it either because I got them for a very good price, and some books here in this video are books which I was searching for quite some time now. So when I saw them, I picked them. So this book is a very new book actually. So this is by the author Aditi Rao. So I saw this book reviewed by many bookstagrammers, and when I saw this on the sale, I didn't have a second thought and I picked it. So I think this will be a very interesting read. I think this one happens in Andhra. I can read this book if any readathons happens for Indian literature. So yeah, very happy, and I really like the cover of the book and the title as well. Something very intriguing as well as unusual when it comes to the title. So yeah. The next book is my first Nora Roberts. So I see a lot of Nora Roberts whenever I go shopping offline as well as online, but I never get one. So when I saw this title, basically because it is a thriller, I picked it, and I'm very happy that I got a very beautiful copy. It almost looks new, and the original price is 350 rupees, and the font looks amazing. So yeah, I'm very intrigued, and actually I want to read Nora Roberts because I've seen so many titles, so many books by the author, and I'll let you know if I really like this one. So this is Long Summer Days by Nora Roberts. The next book which I picked from him is longlisted for the Man Booker Prize 2019, and I really love the cover of the book. It is colorful and it's very pretty, and that is Mouthful of Words by Samantha Chivablin. So I love the cover of the book, and I read the blurb when there was a sale happening, and I saw this book almost picked by everybody, and I thought, okay, why not give it a try. So yeah, this is a short book. It is just 220 pages book, and I'm very happy that I got it because I really like the cover, and the blurb also looked very interesting. So yeah, let's see. The next two books which I picked from him is a new author which I wanted to try because of his detective series. So I came across this author because of the sale, and I collected a lot of books by the author, and I found very interesting reviews, very close reviews to Sherlock Holmes or Agatha Christie books. It is not hyped or it is not compared with those, but most of the readers who read this author's work told that his work is also amazing. So that is Alexander McCall Smith, and this book is A Time of Love and Tartan. So there's a series which the author writes, the detective novels, and I've collected around 6-7 books from the series. In case you are starting up with reading, I think you can dive into his books, because many reviews which I saw said the same thing, that these books are best for beginners, that too beginners for detective novels or crime fiction. So yeah, so I'm very interested. I really like the covers of all of the Alexander McSmith's book. So yeah, this is the first book which I picked. The next book is A Distant View of Everything. So this belongs to the Isabel Dalhousie series. So this is a Isabel Dalhousie novel. So I think this series belongs to, yeah, I'll tell you the series name. The first one is the number 1 Ladies Detective Agency series. Second one is the Isabel Dalhousie novels. The third one is the 44 Scotland Street series, and the fifth one is the Corduroy Mansions series. The last one is the Von Gelfeld Entertainments. So for the first one, I think there are around 20 titles. That is the number 1 Ladies Detective Agency series. And see the condition of the book. This book looks absolutely new, same as with the previous one. Both looks absolutely new, and I'm very excited to read these books. And these are around 200 to 250 pages book. So I think it will be a very interesting short reads. Next books are books which I got from another website, and I usually buy from them, and it's been really long, so I really wanted to try out them. And that website had amazing Alexander McCall Smith's books, so I picked 3 books from the Alexander McCall Smith books. So that is the first book which I picked from them is 44 Scotland Street. So this belongs to the this belongs to the 44 Scotland detective series, I guess. So yeah, I'm very happy. And there's another series which is the Sunday Philosophy Club series. So yeah, see, look at the cover of the book. They look absolutely very pretty. And yeah, and as I told you, there are around 320 pages, but I think that's quite short. And see the font of the book. I think they are very easily readable, fastly readable. The next book is The Full Cupboard of Life. So this is a winner of the Saga Award for Wit. I love the cover. So yeah, this one also looks absolutely good, and this belongs to the number 1 Ladies Detective Agency series. Okay, so the first book in the series, the number 1 Ladies Detective Agency, is the number 1 Ladies Detective Agency. So this is the first book, and I have the first book, and I think I have the 5th book and the second and third. So I don't have the 4th book, but I have the 5th, 1st and 2nd and 3rd. So yeah, very intrigued, and I really like the cover of this book as well. They're very colorful, and the animals on the cover, I think they indicate something in the story, so I think that's more very interesting. So yeah, I really like it, and I am thinking of adding this to my August TBR. So this is 250 pages exactly, and I think the book will end in 230 pages. So yeah, so very interested. Maybe if I can add this to my August TBR, then I will, because I just want to give this a try and see if it's worth my buys. So yeah, next book is a Matt Haig book which I got from the website, and that is The Truth Pixie. So this belongs to the children books category, I guess, because this is a beautifully illustrated book, and it's a hardcover, and I finished reading this book. I really love the book. It is a very small, simple language book, but it has a very big message to convey to all of us. I'll be talking about this in my June and July wrap up, because I read it in July and I think I have to shoot my June wrap up video also. So I think you will be seeing that video along with my July wrap up. So stay tuned. So that's that. The next book which I picked from them is Songs of a Coward by Perumal Murugan. So this is the 5th book I'm having in the author's collection, and the book's condition is absolutely good. So I think this is a compilation of poems by the author, which I think is translated from Tamil to English. So yeah, he writes in Tamil, but yeah, this is something I am very excited, because I don't read a lot of poems or something related to poetry, but I'm going to be giving this a try because I've seen so many people talking about this. So if I really like it, I'll let you know on when I finish reading this. So the next book which I got is a hardcover, and that is Nothing Ventured by Jeffrey Archer. So the dust jacket is a little bit torn, but otherwise the book looks absolutely good. It looks absolutely like a new stocked up copy. So this is the brown cover inside. So this is the first book in the William Warwick series, which Jeffrey has started to write. So I think there are 3 more books, and I have 3 books in the Clifton Chronicles which I'm yet to read. So I read his short story collection to start up with Jeffrey Archer's works, and I really liked it. The stories were so good, and I'll be talking about that in my July wrap up video. So stay tuned. So this book I have no idea, but I got for a very good deal, and why not pick it up. So see the condition of the book, it looks absolutely good and like a new copy, just that the dust jacket is a little bit bad. So yeah, that's the next book. So the next book which I picked from a local store nearby house after the lockdown was released, that is Possession by S. Bart. Okay, so this is the winner of the 1990 Booker Prize, and once I saw that, I picked it without a second thought, and I saw very good reviews after coming home and googling it and seeing it on Goodreads. I was like, okay, I picked a very good book. So I got it for 200, I guess, yeah, but it's a quite old book, so I just got it on a whim. So yeah, I have no idea. I think there are so many letters inside. Okay, there's so many letters. Yeah, there's so many letters inside. So I think it'll be a very pretty, very good romantic read. I am expecting to read something like this. So yeah, I'll be very happy if this book satisfies all my cravings for a very good historical fiction along with some romance, I think. So let's hope for the good, and I'm looking forward in reading this very soon. The next book which I got is from a Nigerian author, and that is Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. So I think that's how it's pronounced. It's a very short book. When I saw this on a sale on Telegram, I didn't think that this will be a very short book, because I read a review where the review spoke about how much the book drew that person into life, and it was so good. That review was really very good, and that's why I picked it. So I am very actually looking forward in reading this book very soon. It's a 150 pages book, so I think it will be a very super quick read book, as well as a very good book to convey a lot about life. So yeah, so I forgot what the book is about. I really don't remember right now, but when I'm reading this book in my upcoming TBRs, I'll let you know what this book is about. The next book is a thriller, and I'm very happy that I got this book because it looks absolutely new, and I saw one of a bookstagrammer who's also a YouTuber talk about this book really well, and that's why I picked it. And I really like the cover of the book. The condition of the book fascinates me. So that is Child by Fiona Barton. So I like the cover, and the title looks very, very intriguing for a psychological thriller. So I'm expecting a lot from this book. I hope that it satisfies all my expectations. So yeah, the condition of the book looks absolutely good. It's like a new copy, just that it is little stacked up, but otherwise, yeah. I'm going to be reading the blurb. When a paragraph in an evening newspaper reveals a decades-old tragedy, most readers barely give it a glance. But for three strangers, it is impossible to ignore. For one woman, it is a reminder of the worst thing that ever happened to her. For another, it reveals a dangerous possibility that her darkest secret is about to be discovered. And for the third, a journalist, it is the first clue in a hunt to uncover the truth. The child's story will be told. Okay, so yeah, I think that's enough to grab the book and read it very soon. The next book which I got is a translated book from Malayalam. So this is a diary of a Malayali madman, and it is translated by Jayashree Kalathil and written by N. Prabhakaran. I think this one talks a lot about mental illness and mental health. So when I saw this book on the sale, I didn't have a second thought, and I really wanted to read this. I already had this book on my Scribd app, but a physical copy always gives me a pleasure that's unexplainable. So yeah, very, very happy for this book. The next book which I got is also from a local bookstore, and that is Isabel Allen's The Infinite Plan. I have no idea, I just picked it because of the author's name. I already have The Daughter of the Fortune by the author, so I wanted to collect the author's book, and I've told the seller to stock up more of her recent works like The House of the Spirits, because that was talked on Bookstagram a lot. So yeah, I want to dive into that as well. So yeah, no idea. And this book is not that great in condition because I think it was it got wet some time back, and as you can see, the pages are like that. But otherwise, the book is good, but the font is really very small. So I don't know when I'll be reading this, but if I read this, I think I have to finish it very soon. So yeah, that's that. The next book is a very, very new book to me, and I saw this going rounds on Instagram, and the first thing is that the book is not a new release. So this was released way time back, and it's a historical fiction. So historical fiction usually is a treat to me. So I search a lot of historical fiction books and thriller books as well on Bookstagram. And I saw this book on many Bookstagrammers page, and people who love to read historical fiction kind of love this book. So when I saw this book on the store, I didn't have a second thought, and this is a very old book, and that is Wild Swans by Jung Shank. I think that's correct. So I think it's about three women and three generations. So it says, Three Daughters of China. It is impossible to exaggerate the importance of this book. This is the winner of the 1992 NCR Book Award. So this is how it looks. It's a thick book actually, and it has photographs inside. So that's that. That's the next book. Okay, coming up books are books which are from the same author, that is Sidney Sheldon. I went crazy with Sidney Sheldon books and Agatha Christie books in the month of July, because I don't know, July had a lot of offers, discounts on both Sidney Sheldon as well as Agatha Christie books. Many sellers sold both the books for a great discount, so I didn't have a second thought and I picked it up. So I'm going to tell you what all I picked from Sidney Sheldon. The first book which I picked is The Sky is Falling. So for most of the Sidney Sheldons I have here, I bought it either because I loved the blurb of the book or I saw great reviews, and for some books which I really want to invest as well as try reading them and exploring how it is. So one such book is this one. I didn't have any idea about this book. I saw it for a very good discount and I picked it. And then when I searched it on Google and Goodreads, I found very good reviews. The next book is a prequel to one of the books which I have, that is Memories of the Midnight. So the prequel is Other Side of the Midnight. So this is the first book in the series, and I think I told the seller to hold this book if she gets it, and thank God that she didn't forget, and she immediately texted me and asked me if I wanted this book. And I didn't have a second thought, and all of her pre-loved books are great in quality, and the pricing was also very affordable. So yeah, this is the first in the series and I'm looking forward. So this is a story about 4 star-crossed people, and it talks about the 4 people and their lives and how their lives are intertwined. So I think it will be a very interesting read. So I think there's a billionaire, there's an actress, there's a war hero, and there's a tycoon. So yeah, see the condition of the book. I really like the condition of the book, and I'm happy that most of the Sidney Sheldon books are same in size. So when I put them on the shelf, they look very pretty. The next book which I have is Chasing Tomorrow, which I think was written after Sidney Sheldon's death, because it is written by Tilly Baxter. So this book also came in a very good condition, and as you can see, every cover has a woman on it by Sidney Sheldon. So yeah, again, this book also revolves around women, I guess. So I'm not going to read any of the blurbs because I'm going to be diving right into them. The one which I read, I think I will forget in some hours today, so I think I am going to be diving directly into the book. And the book's condition looks absolutely good. I got from an Insta store. I'll be dropping all of that on my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, my friend has started up with a new bookstore on Instagram. I'll be putting that on the screen as well as on my description box. Please support her because she has amazing collection, as well as all the books are original and for affordable rates. Some are new and some are pre-loved books, that is second-hand books. So please support her, and I think it will be very good if you support her because she is just starting up, and small business support is what this COVID has taught us. And I don't buy books anymore from Amazon or Flipkart. I usually prefer and go to the second-hand seller books because they have something amazing in collection, as well as the prices are great. So please try them. I'll be putting my friend's page on my description box. Also, I have got books from her which I'll be showing you in my next video, in the part 3 video. Also in my part 1 video, you would have seen the last few books which I showed you in that video were from her. She had amazing hardcovers, amazing titles, as well as amazing author books. So I think if you want some book, you can request to her. She will get that book for you. Next Sidney Sheldon which I have is The Sands of Time. Again, a woman picture on the cover. So yeah, again, no idea of what the book is about. This book has been used quite a lot, but the spine is not broken. The font is like this. Not very bad, but yeah, readable. The next book is Master of the Game, and again, a woman picture on the cover. So this book, I think it's a very popular book, and the condition of the book is very old. As you can see, the condition is very old, and the font is very small. It is already 500 pages book. It's a 500 pages book, 489 exactly, and a small font. I think it will take me days to complete it, but yeah, I'm very interested. Two books are the books which I got from my friend from RA Books Chennai. So that is Tell Me Your Dreams by Sidney Sheldon, and the condition of the book looks amazing. It's not a very new book, it's an old pre-loved copy of hers, and I really liked how she maintained these books. The font looks amazing. It's not very small as compared to the Master of the Game. It's a little bigger, but yeah, again a women picture on the cover. Tell Me Your Dreams is a very famous title by the author, and Rage of Angels is also a very famous title by the author. So this is a 330 pages book, so I think it will be a quick read when it comes to Sidney Sheldon, because 332 is not a short book, but when it comes to Sidney Sheldon, his writing and the pace is always fast, so you kind of turn the pages very quickly and you get involved in the plot so quickly. So that's that. The last book of the part 2 book haul video is The Best Laid Plans by Sidney Sheldon. So this is again bought from my friend's store, RA Books Chennai. So yeah, this also looks good when it comes to the font size. It's not very small. So yeah, I think this book also had great reviews. I'm not sure of how the book is popular, but yeah, I've seen great reviews when it comes to this book. So it's about a woman and a man who kind of compete with one another and achieve something in life. So yeah, it says he wanted power and she wanted revenge. Okay, so that 2 lines is enough for Sidney Sheldon. You can dive into it and enjoy the pace of the plot of the book. So that's the last book of the part 2 video of my huge book haul, and I'm gonna go in for a book buying ban till December 2021. I hopefully want to have some shelf control and self-control, because my shelf is just overloaded and I want to read most of the books which are like lying there for a long time, and also I want to give some time for my wallet. So for all that, I'm going to be going in for the book buying ban. I do buy ebooks because first thing, they don't give me a lot of shelf problem, and also some great titles come up as ebooks very quickly than the physical copies. So for 2 reasons I am going to be doing that. I don't like to read a lot of ebooks, but now the choice is less for me. So yeah, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be meeting you all in my next one. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.